Okay, so the exhaust for the NSX is going to be 100% titanium. We buy a lot of our products from these guys, Titanium. They sell unbelievable amounts of fabrication equipment. I mean, pipes, pie cuts, bends, flanges, valves. I mean, it makes our life so much easier. When you get your pie cuts, they often sell them in packs like this. That way they're all cut, they're clean, there's no chamfering, makes life so much easier. You just basically roll these together, tack them. It's like putting Lego together. Well, even flanges like this is a titanium 3-inch flange, which is going to be for the NSX. We're not going to be running mufflers on this particular setup, but Titanium do sell these bullet style mufflers. This one's a 17-inch, but they have them in 10-inch also. 2.5-inch, 3-inch, I think even a 4-inch. But check these guys out. This stuff is quality stuff. Okay, so this is a 2019 NSX. One of my complaints of this car was the sound. I love the way it looks, I love the styling. I was absolutely blown away when I saw this car in person in orange. It was just something about it. It really, really speaks to me. I love the looks. Well, I wanted more sound, and it seems like that's what this car doesn't do very well. The quest was to build an exhaust, and I wanted it to be titanium. We want to reduce weight. We want to take whatever weight we can off the car. Okay, so this is the first GT exhaust that we're going to build. This is the segment bends, a little bit more complicated, very time consuming to build, but of course it's got a unique look. It's pie cuts here, pie cuts there. Even the crossover tube here is pie cuts. 100% titanium, flanges all the way to the hangers. This, just to give you an idea, it weighs 4 pounds, 4 pounds exactly. That's shaving off almost 25 pounds off the back of the car. So to just give you a comparison of weight, this is an X-pipe I made for my C6 ZR1. The factory one that came on the car was almost 30 pounds. This one weighs 8 pounds. 100% titanium, O2 bungs, flanges, obviously they're steel bolts, but 100% titanium, 8 pounds. Great weight savings. So I'm going to do a weight comparison side by side. This is a stainless 3-bolt flange. This is a titanium 3-bolt flange. They're both 3-inch 3-bolt flanges. This is what we use on the NSX exhaust. So first the stainless. Comes in at 10.3. Let me zero that. Now the titanium comes in at 5.2, almost half the weight, exact same flange. Okay, so do you want to hear how it sounds? Okay, there it is. What do you think? I gotta say, I'm super excited with it now. The car now sounds like it looks. A lot of the exhaust sound is kind of psychological. It now makes the car feel faster. There's no other performance modification of the car, no other changes except just the exhaust. But my intentions were to make the car sound better, make it sound more exciting to drive, and of course, using titanium, reducing weight. We took about 25 pounds off the car, so there's always performance benefits from reducing weight. This is the one I'm calling the GT system. The one shown in the video is a segment bend GT style. The other one is going to be smooth bends. All depends on your preference, whether you like the pie cuts or the smooth bends. Future plans are to build a second exhaust with the variable valves, just like the factory system. It's still going to come in about half the weight of the factory system, estimating about 15-16 pounds as opposed to 30 on the factory. So that system will be in the future. But hit us up at lhtsales@aol.com. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. You want to see more videos on the NSX, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.